Good morning, everybody. Hope y'all had a happy new year. Today is Monday, January 2nd, 2023. And, well, only the foreman and the welder showed up. I don't think we have anybody else today. It's actually a holiday. So anyways, let's go see what the welder and the foreman's doing. All right, so the welder is putting full welds on the gates because the gates are done. He's just welding them up, and he works Saturday too. I think he worked like a 3/4 day, half day or something. And I moved, this is all the stuff for the ceiling and gates and the prison bars. So the foreman, he's working on plumbing stuff. He's actually just covered up some of the lines over on this side of the bottom floor. And this is what everything's looking like. So they're trying to level things out. You can see all the extra dirt we have. All right, so I'm just gonna do a walkthrough up on top. Our windows, front windows, finished and completed that. Did leave a little bit of mess along the edges. All right, this is the front left room. Yeah. Guess we have a few people. Didn't even realize we were gonna have extra. I still said that it was just a foreman, but these guys are up here trying to get some painting done. Why it's nice. It's actually really hot today, but the clouds just covered up the sun. And in here, a little bathroom. I know there's a lot of plumbing that needs to go on before we can do much of anything right now. I'll walk over to the front right side. Not much happening here. Here, just a little bit of cleanup and touch-ups in here. And the back right side. The two back rooms are pretty much done for the most part. And they just got to plaster little sections. That's what they've been doing though. Lots of little section plasters. Still amazes me how deep that is. Just so they can straighten out the wall so it doesn't feel really weird. And things lay in here properly. And I'm gonna wander over to the back left side. Same stuff going on in here. This one is pretty much done. Got everything laid out and ready to go. Other than that, that's about it. Not too much happening. Everybody's has their hangover day. Pretty much is what it is called. The day after the holiday is the hangover day. All right, it is afternoon. The guys are busy shoveling sand. Maybe we'll pour in the near future. And the welder still working on full welds. Not sure what we got going on, but oh, I know. That is for tamping all the dirt down. Alright, foreman was busy today. Looks like he's got it all laid out. He just needs to tamper it down. They're gonna throw some the gravel down before pouring this. Actually excited for this to get done. So I guess they're gonna do it in two parts. They'll do this back section and then they'll do this front section afterwards. Alright. And welder got our brackets on for the gates. And now it is raining. Got the hinge, the little walk gate. Just needs to be primered, painted, and hung.
So our welder just made a cut with this shafting that the size is 1 inch and 1/4 for the gate.
Good morning, everybody. Today is January 3rd. It is Tuesday. And the guys are busy. Been raining all night, so we'll see what gets done today. Let's go take a look. Alright, our pile of gravel that's been sacked for a long time. It's finally getting moved around. And they're cleaning up a little bit because we got a load of gravel coming tomorrow. Welder's busy working on another gate piece. Anyways, they laid sand down and now they're putting gravel. They have their little tampering tools they made yesterday. I showed you guys. So they've been tampering it down. So I think we just have laborers today. No skilled. Foreman's using his laser level for everything. You guys can see that. Yeah. You can see the walls. It has the laser level. Alright, everybody, good afternoon. It is pouring today, still. So, welder's got his little spot doing his thing. And the guys have been a bit busy. They're actually pulling down the little pieces up there. And they laid out all the rebar. They're doing what they can and without getting wet. Alright, so the guys are pulling these down without nothing, but unfortunately they're leaving the nails. So they're doing work that they're going to have to go back and do again. But all the boards will be down. I guess whoever fills in these little spots under these ribs will have to pull the nails too. So we've always had an issue with this drain. It's really flat up top, so it always leaks water. So now they've connected some 2 inches to it and run it out into the street, so everything isn't getting to be a mud hole. I didn't see this before, or maybe this is new, but foreman put in this little section of the PPR. Didn't even see the valve before. There's a valve. Alright everybody, that is about it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed. And thank you for watching our videos. And as always, goodbye.